Okay, the next step, if it's applicable to your press, would be to installing the screen adjustment or the angle knobs. I took this off, but this press had all of them installed already. But if yours is not, you're going to remove the shipping. I'm sorry. You're going to remove the shipping nut from here, and then you're going to grab your adjustable angle knob. Okay, so all you're going to do is just find the thread and then just screw it on. Okay, and then whenever you want to adjust it, say like it's in a position where you don't want to hurt yourself by hitting these metal pieces or whatever. All you have to do is you can either push in the hold the middle button here and push out, and then you can adjust it. Okay, and then it locks into place. So right now I can't move it because I tightened it down, but if I pull it out, it'll unlock the teeth on the inside. You hear that? And now it'll lock in place. Now I can unlock it. Okay, and this is just for the screen angle adjustment. Okay, so if it's always righty-tighty, so I can push in on the middle, push out on the knob. I'm getting the wrong angle here, but kind of see what I'm doing. Now it's set into place, and now I can just use this to go down like that, just like that. This press did have them all installed already, and but if yours didn't, there will be a shipping nut on there. You'll just take that off and replace it with the knobs, the angle adjustment knobs. We're going to get set up for the next step, and we'll be right back.